Hello students, this is Partha sir. Today we will discuss method overloading under object-oriented programming with Java. Now first we will discuss what is method overloading. That is the definition. In Java, it is possible to create methods that have the same name but different parameter definition. This is called method overloading. So, if you create methods which have the same name but with different parameters, then this process is known as method overloading. Now, method overloading is used when objects are required to perform similar tasks but using different input parameters. So it is used when we want to perform similar task but with different parameter list. Okay. When we call a method in an object, Java matches up the method name first, then the number and type of parameters to decide which one of the definitions to execute. Means suppose there are so many method definitions with the same name, then that time suppose if you call one of the method from them, then Java will decide which method to execute. This process is known as polymorphism. Okay, are you clear? Okay, now we will go to an example that is with the method overloading. Okay, here we have taken a class whose name is room. These are the member variables and there are two constructors. One is room, this is constructor 1. Another constructor, this is the name is also room, but where is the difference? Here there are two parameters and here there is one parameter. Clear? So here we are overloading the constructor room with different parameters. In this constructor we have used two parameters, here we have used one parameter. In this way we have overloaded the constructor room, and this is a normal method. Okay, now if we use this, how to call the object of using the constructor? Suppose I want to use the first constructor, then class name, then object name is equal to new room, then we have to give the parameters, that is the values 15, 25. Suppose I am to call the second constructor, that time we will write class name, then object name, then new, then room, but with a single parameter. Here we have used 20. So this is the calling first constructor 1, and this is using constructor 2. Have you understood what is method overloading and how we can use it? Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for regular updates. Thank you.